like a bird at all. How in the world does it fly up into the sky?
Ding, aerodynamics teardown request detected. Actually, the airplane's principle is exactly the same as your balloon. Mid to long form hardcore T-down mode engaged. Target locked. Turbofan engine.
Whoa! There's a fire-breathing monster raging inside the airplane's belly! Shrink me down, quick! I'm going in to see it up close! Step 1 is called suck. This supergiant fan can swallow a whole swimming pool's worth of air into its belly in just 1 second. Step 2 is called squeeze. Scientists built countless tiny blades to violently crush a massive ball of air into a tiny fraction of its original size. The air gets so squished it throws a temper tantrum. Its temperature instantly skyrockets to hundreds of degrees, turning into a high-pressure bomb ready to explode at any moment. Step 3 is bang! Here, the squeezed air mixes with the fuel and turns to a sea of fire thousands of degrees hot. This isn't a normal fire. It is a supermassive explosion that never ever stops.
This is the scientist's most genius design. The fire blasting out the back blows the rear turbine, making it spin incredibly fast. And this turbine is connected straight to that giant fan at the very front.
The harder the fire blasts, the faster the front fan spins, and the more air it sucks in. This is a perfect, unstoppable loop. But wait, the temperature in here reaches 1700 Celsius, 3000 Fres. That's hotter than the magma erupting from a volcano. Normal steel would have melted into liquid a long time ago. Why aren't these metal blades melting? To keep from melting, the blade wears its own air-conditioned suit. This is the highest miracle of vibrate plate tarting for me answer Kanir Factrid won't blade lonlive. Dronkidus is 10 times harder, be cradable trin 1. Kids, from staring blankly at birds in ancient times to building steel birds weighing hundreds of tons today, humanity has never stopped challenging ourselves to fly into the blue sky. We didn't just tame the fierce winds, we learned how to dance inside hellish fire. Behind every smooth, peaceful takeoff that we take for granted is the great victory of countless scientists breaking through the limits of physics.
Technology has given humanity a pair of wings to transcend our limits. If you were to design a future airplane, what would you use to power it? Leave your super crazy ideas in the comments section. Long-form hardcore teardowns explore the limits of black tech with Bobo. See you next episode. Bye-bye!